Hello Yatris, welcome back to our Yatri Cloud. This is Yata Chauhan, 13x Microsoft Azure certified. Now, we are here to give you on Microsoft Azure fundamental certification voucher. So, do you want to become a Microsoft certified in starting of 2025? Of course, yes, right. So, this is for you guys. So, before going to the relay, if you didn't subscribe yet Yatri Cloud, then do it, and you can just turn on the notification to get a latest update. Just because of this is a first come first serve basis. So that's why we are going to give you this special opportunity to be certified in 2025. So let's go through our Microsoft Azure Virtual Training Day. Now, I will give you this link in the description. So for that, you need to first understand how you are going to get Microsoft Azure voucher in $0. No, sorry. Right now you will be getting it in a 50% only, just because of certain condition, right? So yes, you'll be getting a 50% coupon code in a Microsoft Azure Fundamental AZ-900. So here, let's go through this event. So for that, you need to just attend the two event, which is on 15 Jan 2025 and 16 Jan. So this is totally online mode. Okay. So no worries about any accommodation. Now, when we are going to scroll down, you will be getting a more information about the certification and event, right? So yeah, you need to just submit the form, just enter your basic details. Okay, if you are student, just keep it in student and enter the college name inside the company section. Okay, and yeah, that's it. And after register, you'll be getting the confirmation email of the registration, right? So how it looks like, I will showcase you at the end of the video. Now we have mainly two part of that event. One is totally on the architect side, and second is about identity side, right? You'll be getting understand within 2 days, fine. And this is a first come first serve basis. So if you are registered now, then you'll be getting the more chance to reserve your spot right now. Okay. So if you have any question on this, you'll be ping me on LinkedIn, or write down in the comment box, or you can go through the FAQ section and you will be getting your all question answer here. Okay. So after the event, after the 16th Jan, within a 4 days, you will be getting a voucher. Okay. Now, if you have any resources to prepare this, just go through the Microsoft Azure Fundamental Certification exam, right? And here you can see all the details, right? Which is already shared in our Yatri Cloud community. So we will discuss there. Okay. But as of now, you just submit this form and you will be getting the confirmation email like this. Okay, you are registered, and now we are happy to confirm your registration for this Microsoft event. So yeah, so for that I will give you the best of luck from Yatri Cloud team and from my side also, and see you soon to become a Microsoft Azure certified. So now subscribe now and do comment section hashtag I am Yatri, and see you soon with your certification, right? And as of now, bye bye, take care, and best of luck.